In this video, we are unboxing and replacing the right front lower control arm for the Ford Focus ST 2013 to 2018. The right front lower control arm. The following are the tools used for replacing the right front lower control arm. Medium 5mm hex bit socket. Large 18mm short socket. Large 19mm long socket. Medium ratcheting wrench. T55 long Torx bit. 8mm wrench. 15mm wrench. 21mm wrench. Chisel. Large flathead screwdriver. Hammer. Large electric impact wrench. Large extendable ratcheting wrench. Large torque wrench. Use a transmission jack to assist with installation. Using the large 19mm long socket with the large extendable ratcheting wrench, loosen the front wheel lug nuts. Lift the vehicle. Using the large 19mm long socket with the large electric impact wrench, remove the front wheel lug nuts. Remove the front wheel. Using the 8mm wrench, remove the ride height sensor retaining bolt mounted to the lower control arm. Set the ride height sensor aside. Using the T55 long Torx bit with 8mm wrench and large 18mm short socket with the large electric impact wrench, remove the lower control arm ball joint retaining bolt. Separate the control arm ball joint from the knuckle. Using the large 18mm short socket with the large electric impact wrench, remove the front and rear bushing retaining bolts from the lower control arm. Using the 21mm wrench with large 18mm short socket and large electric impact wrench, remove the two rear bushing retaining bolts from the lower control arm. Remove the bolts and nuts. The other nut is located behind the sway bar. We need to reach through the hole on the exhaust side to get a socket on it. Using the 15mm wrench, medium 4mm hex bit socket, and medium ratcheting wrench, remove the sway bar end link retaining nut. Remove the nut. Remove the bracket. Remove the end link. Using the large flathead screwdriver as a pry tool, pry the lower control arm out. Here is the comparison of old versus new right front lower control arm. Before installing the new lower control arm, we need to transfer the ride height sensor mounting stud from the old control arm to the new one. Use the flathead screwdriver to remove it. Install it onto the new lower control arm. Align the mounting holes and install the new lower control arm. After aligning the holes, install the rear bushing retaining bolts and nuts. Install the washer plate. Connect the control arm ball joint to the knuckle. Align the holes. Install the rear bushing retaining bolts and nuts. After sliding the bolt through, install the retaining nut from the top. The other one also goes in from the top. Once the front bushing mounting hole is aligned, install the retaining bolt. Once the ball joint to knuckle holes are aligned, install the retaining bolt and nut. Using the 21mm wrench, large 18mm short socket, and large electric impact wrench, tighten the rear bushing retaining bolts. Using the large 18mm short socket with the large electric impact wrench, tighten the front bushing retaining bolt. Using the T55 long Torx bit with 8mm wrench and large 18mm short socket with the large electric impact wrench, tighten the control arm ball joint to knuckle retaining bolt. Install the ride height sensor. Install the retaining bolt. Using the 8mm wrench to tighten it down. Install the sway bar end link. Install the bracket. Install the retaining nut. Using the 15mm wrench with medium 5mm hex bit socket and medium ratcheting wrench, tighten the sway bar end link retaining nut. Using the T55 long Torx bit and 8mm wrench and large 18mm short socket with the large torque wrench, torque the control arm ball joint retaining bolt, torque specific 70 Nm, 52 foot-pounds. Using the 21mm wrench with large 18mm short socket and large torque wrench, torque the rear bushing retaining bolts. Torque specific 160 Nm, 118 foot-pounds. Using the transmission jack, lift the lower control arm until it is at ride height. Using the large 18mm short socket with the large torque wrench, torque the front bushing retaining bolt. Torque specific 215 Nm, 159 foot-pounds. Lower the transmission jack. Install the wheel. Install the lug nuts. Using the large 19mm long socket with the large electric impact wrench, snug the lug nuts. Lower the vehicle. Using the large 19mm long socket with the large torque wrench, torque the lug nuts. Torque specific 150 Nm, 111 foot-pounds.